What's up guys, I'm Zain and today I'm going to show you how to create a website in 2024. There are many tools that you can use in order to create your own website, and one of these tools is Website Builder. And you can use any website builder through going into websites like WordPress, GoDaddy, and Hostinger. But in this video, I will talk more particularly about Hostinger. So let's get started. Now, the first method to create websites is through content management systems, or CMS. Using a content management system or CMS is a viable option for building a website, and accessing popular CMSs like WordPress, Joomla, and Drupal is made easy with the auto installer feature in each panel. All you need to do is to simply navigate to the website section, select manage, and locate the auto installer option on the left sidebar in order to begin building your site. Now, choosing the right web hosting provider is also important for a seamless website building experience with a CMS. Hostinger, for example, is an affordable and dependable web hosting provider that offers hosting plans that are suitable for building websites with CMS. Moving on, you can also build websites using website builder features offered by some web hosting services. Hostinger also offers this feature, and using it is pretty straightforward. Using their website builder doesn't require a lot of development knowledge, and it will make creating websites a breeze to start. Go to the website section and click on create or migrate website option, then choose the type of website from the options and select create a new website. And once that's done, select hosting your website builder and start creating your dream website with an easy to use builder. With the website builder, you can choose from a wide variety of templates and customize your website to your liking. It's a great option if you need to create a new website or rebuild an existing one using a simple and user-friendly platform. Now, if you already have a website, you can easily upload its files to your hosting or hosting account using the import website feature available in each panel. Simply navigate to the website section and select manage, then look for the import website option on the left sidebar and click on it to begin the upload process. It's worth noting that import website feature can handle files up to 256 megabytes in size. For larger files, it's recommended to use FTP to transfer them. Also, keep in mind that if your website requires a database, you will need to import that as well. Hostinger makes this process even easier by outright doing it for you. All you need to do is to create a migration request, and their team will take care of the process themselves. To do that, go to the website section in each panel and select create or migrate website, then choose the website type and select migrate my website. From there, select transfer website and fill in all the necessary migration details. Hostinger team will handle all the rest, making the migration process smooth and hassle-free. Now, it's important to note that if your website was created using a custom builder such as Blogger, Wix, Shopify, or another similar platform, it cannot be migrated using the import website or migration request features in each panel. In such cases, you will need to recreate your website from scratch, unfortunately. As I mentioned before, Hostinger offers a website builder tool that is perfect for building a website quickly and easily, even if you don't have any coding experience. If you want a web host service that makes your website creation seamless and saves you a lot of time and effort, Hostinger is definitely going to be your choice. Hostinger plans offer a budget-friendly solution that is perfect for beginners who want to create a website, blog, or e-shop without spending much money. So that was actually how to create your website. You can also use other website builders. As I said in the beginning of the video, you can use Blogger, you can use Shopify, you can use WordPress, GoDaddy. There are a lot of options, and you will see in the channel many videos about websites and how to create a website for yourself. And that's it. I hope this video is useful to you all. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.